So I'm going to be going over lecture 13. A lot of you had trouble thinking about probability of at least one. So in this lecture we had the scenario that you call your grandma, and each time you call her she has a 1/3 chance of picking up. So I'll say that G is, grandma picks up the phone. So the probability of G was 1/3. Now say it's Mother's Day and we wanted to wanted to make sure that we get through to her and that she picks up. We want to find what's the chance that if we call her a bunch of times, let's say, in this case we'll say call 3 times. We want to find out the probability that she picks up at least one of those times because we want to talk to her. So initially a lot of people's approaches to this is saying, okay, I call her 3 times and the chance that she picks up is 1/3 each time, so that'd be 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 1. But there's already a little bit of a problem there because we know that she's not actually necessarily going to pick up 100% of the time, or there's not a 100% chance that she'll pick up if we call 3 times. So that isn't quite right. But what we can do, even though we can't quite calculate this the way that we want right now, there's this thing in probability called the complement, which is basically the opposite. It's the chance that something doesn't happen. And we can use that to figure out things that we couldn't normally calculate. So, as an example, we know that the chance that she picks up is 1/3. But if we want to find the chance that she does not pick up, then we take 1 minus the chance that she picks up. So I'll say probability n, doesn't pick up, no pickup, equals 1 minus chance that she does pick up, which equals 2/3. Now in this case, something that we can calculate is, well, the opposite of she picks up once, or she picks up at all. How about the opposite of that would be she doesn't pick up once, she doesn't pick up at all. And we can actually calculate this already. You see, we've already calculated the chance that she doesn't pick up, which is 2/3. Now, if we want to find the chance that she doesn't pick up any of the 3 times, then we just multiply that 3 times. She doesn't pick up the first time, times she doesn't pick up the second time, and she doesn't pick up the 3rd time. So this is the chance that she never picks up. Now, if we want to find the chance that she picks up at least one of those times, all we need to do is the chance that she doesn't not ever pick up. I know it's a little bit weird to follow, but if you need to replay that, you can. So the chance that she doesn't not pick up, the chance that she does pick up at least once, would be 1 minus the chance that she never picks up. And I'm not going to go through all the fractions right now. It's pretty simple with 3 cases, but that's basically it. Anytime that you have a probability where it's the probability of at least 1, we can think of that as 1 minus the probability of none, or not at least 1. And that's it. Thank you.